Good day, everyone. Today, we would like to present our project titled Patient Bed Monitoring System for the course BERL 2112 Technology Data Acquisition and Analysis 1. This project focuses on monitoring a patient's body temperature and heart rate in real time to improve patient safety. This project was completed by 3 group members. I am Muhammad ARSYAD QUTTY, the head of the team. My teammates Muhammad IRFAN ANWAR and NURUL. Each member contributed to the design, programming, and testing of this system. Next, the main objective of this project is to design a system that can continuously monitor a patient's body temperature and heart rate using sensors. Secondly, the system uses indicator lamps to show different patient conditions, such as normal, fever, hypothermia, and critical in real time. Lastly, we implemented start, stop, and emergency button to allow proper power management and immediate response during critical situations. This system monitors the patient's body temperature and heart rate continuously. If the temperature goes above the high limit, the fever and critical indicator lamps will turn on. If the temperature goes below the low limit, the hypothermia light will light up. When the temperature is within the safe range, the normal lamp remains on. The heart rate is displayed as a live waveform so nurses can easily monitor it. An emergency button is provided to manually activate the critical condition. There is also a stop button to shut down the system, and the start button is needed to resume operation. This slide shows the flowchart of our system. It helps explain the logic and decision-making process used in the monitoring system.
Next, flowchart explanation. The system starts when the start button is pressed. First, it checks whether the stop button or emergency button is pressed. Then, the system compares the temperature with the preset high and low limits. Based on this comparison, the system activates the correct condition such as normal, fever, hypothermia, or critical. This process runs continuously until the stop button is pressed. Next, input and output. The input of our system include the temperature knob, heart rate knob, and 3 push buttons, which is start, stop, and emergency. The output include waveform chart, indicator lamp, and numeric indicator for heart rate and body temperature. This output allows user to easily understand the patient condition at a glance. Next is our block diagram for this project. This slide shows the block diagram of overall system. Next, block diagram explanation. The block diagram shows how the input are processed by the system logic. Sensor data is read, analyzed, and then displayed through indicator and waveform chart on the lab view interface. This structure helps ensure the accurate monitoring and clear output. This is our front panel for this project. This slide introduces the front panel of our lab view system.
On the front panel, we can see the temperature and heart rate controls, numeric indicators, waveform charts, and condition lamps. The colored lamps represent normal, fever, hypothermia, and critical states. The start, stop, and emergency buttons allow the user to control the system easily. Next, we will demonstrate how the system works. During the demonstration, we adjust the temperature and heart rate values. You can see how the indicator lamps change according to the patient's condition. The waveform charts updates in real time showing the heart rate signal. The system also uses digital inputs and outputs such as indicator lamps and control buttons to improve safety and usability. Overall, the system can help medical staff monitor patients more effectively and respond quickly during critical situations. During the demonstration, we adjust the temperature and heart rate values. You can see how the indicator lamps change according to the patient's condition. The waveform charts updates in real time showing the heart rate signal. The system also uses digital inputs and outputs such as indicator lamps and control buttons to improve safety and usability. Overall, the system can help medical staff monitor patients more effectively and respond quickly during critical situations. In conclusion, our patient bed monitoring system meets all the project requirements. It uses two analog sensors to monitor body temperature and heart rate continuously. The readings are clearly displayed using numeric indicators and waveform charts. That is all from our group. Thank you for your attention.